And as we head into October, we're also wrapping up Prostate Cancer Awareness Month. But that doesn't mean that men should not be thinking about prevention all year round. Maria had a chance actually to talk with two doctors on what to do. Maria?
According to the American Cancer Society, 1 in every 7 men in the U.S. will be diagnosed with prostate cancer during their lifetime. In recognition of Prostate Cancer Awareness Month, we have Dr. Jeffrey Albaugh and Tom Kirk, president of CEO and UsToo International, here to share advice on how patients and caregivers can get help and support all year long. Welcome, gentlemen.
Thank you, Maria.
It's our pleasure, Maria.
So how prevalent is prostate cancer?
Well, prostate cancer affects 1 in 7 men during their lifetime in the United States. It is the most common non-skin cancer in men. Prostate cancer is to men as breast cancer is to women. It is the most common non-skin cancer.
And what are some of the lifestyle implications and fears that patients and their caregivers have about prostate cancer?
Well, I think that prostate cancer, when you hear the word cancer, it's a frightening thing. But prostate cancer, for most people, will be something that they will survive. There are millions of men living in the United States with prostate cancer, and the truth is most men, if prostate cancer is caught early, will survive prostate cancer and live many more years. Also, men with advanced prostate cancer with advances in treatment are living longer too. So just because you have prostate cancer certainly doesn't mean that you're going to not survive that cancer. And so that's really important message of hope for people. But now it becomes, how am I going to live my life the fullest way possible? How can I enjoy life after prostate cancer diagnosis and treatment? Because there are some obstacles when dealing with prostate cancer and treatments.
So what's some advice that you give families as they're coping with this prostate cancer diagnosis?
Well, Maria, I think one of the most valuable pieces of advice is to speak up, share your story, talk about it, and not, as men were trained to do, just be strong and silent, but to speak up and become empowered, begin to talk to others, to find information, to make yourself empowered.
And in addition to speaking with their physicians, where can patients learn more about coping with the potential lifestyle implications of prostate cancer, including sexual health?
Well, there are very many sources. One I would recommend right from the start is to visit the UsToo website, which is UsToo.org. There's other sources as well that, Jeff, I'm sure you'd want to mention.
So I think that your healthcare team is an excellent source to begin with. The doctors and nurses who you're working with, that institution probably has handouts and information. Certainly at North Shore University Health System, we have internet resources as well as a packet of information we give patients. You also want to go to trusted sites. We are affiliated with the Mayo Clinic, and that is an excellent resource for patient information as well. So you want to go to trusted sites such as that, but certainly the UsToo site will give you a couple different things. It will not only give you information that you can download and look at, even questions to talk to and ask your doctor about, but it will also give you information about local groups that will meet maybe in your area, where you can meet other men and their families or partners who are struggling with prostate cancer, who are champions and have survived prostate cancer and can help you with your journey. They also have a helpline there. That is 800-808-7866. So UsToo.org is an excellent resource.
Gentlemen, it is such an important topic that we're discussing today, and we've only scratched the surface. So thank you so much for coming on our show this morning and talking about prostate cancer.
Thank you, Maria.
Thank you, Maria, for spreading the word.
Stay where you are. We'll be right back.